little fiberglass on. All these keel places.
In this week's episode, we fixed some small places on the keel, little cracks. It's called a Catalina Smile.
We had a couple little places on the keel that was had little cracks.
Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventurous own Dreamweaver.
So let's talk first about what a Catalina Smile is. Catalinas seem to have an issue where a hairline crack will develop between where the keel attaches to the bottom of the boat. And this little hairline crack doesn't really get really big over time, but it's just, you can see it in the fiberglass. And it's really an issue with Catalinas. I'm sure there's a lot of other boats that have the same problem, but it was always called a Catalina Smile because of the Catalinas having that issue. Dreamweaver is a Catalina 387, and it seems to have that little crack that's developing. So we thought we would go ahead and fix it while we had it on the hard.
Had a couple little places on the keel that was had little cracks. Old Catalina Smile. These are the wedge system, which I really like because it's measure. It's kind of foolproof. Each part of each is relatively hard to makes it look really good. It's always good when the wind blows. It makes it hard to get it in a tray. Keep it from falling out on the ground everywhere else. Get it wetted out really good. Get it soaked in good. So you don't have any dry places. Just get all the bubbles out of it, get all the air out of it.
think it's time to go.
Well, it's time to sand it with an orbital sander to see if we need to add any more fiberglass to get it smoothed out.
I've been talking about getting out of town.
At this point, it's looking pretty good, but it's time to wash it off really good and take a good look at it. I think we're going to have to add some more fiberglass and maybe go all the way across. I want to make sure there's no more cracks that come back. So once we get it rinsed off with the water, then we'll look at it and maybe add some more fiberglass to it.
Or out to the mountains where I can put my anchor down. I'm gonna get out of town.
I did decide to add some more fiberglass to it and put a couple more layers on to go all the way across to make sure that that crack didn't come back.
I'm going crazy. Gotta put my hands to work. I'm thinking maybe I'll find it in the dirt. And it feels strange to me, like I'll never shake in earth. I'm gonna put my hands to work. I'm not afraid of the edge, I'm afraid of the middle, afraid of too much, I'm not afraid of too little or not enough. 'Cause all I want is all around. I gotta get out of town. The city's caving, the walls are getting close. I've felt it lately, I think it's time to go.
All right, now we have all the fiberglass on and all smoothed out. It's time to apply the fairing compound. Fairing compound is basically an epoxy, and this fairing had fiberglass. It was chipped up in it, or actually fine powder. So it makes it really thick. And you put it on to cover any imperfections or fill any little small places in the fiberglass to make it all nice and smooth.
It's all around.
That's it. There you go, try.
Okay.
So get this stuff about the thickness of, I don't know, peanut butter, mayonnaise. People do different things. The main thing you want to do is just cover up all the imperfections. This is regular fiberglass with fairing compound mixed into it.
When I was young, I had it all planned out, that something big was down the road. I really thought I'd have it all by now, not be a failure if I don't. That's when you say, hey, my love, we're nowhere near the end. There'll come a day, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water and found my faith, because I don't wanna be stuck in the good old days. That's when you say, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. This life is heavy with an overload, like every door I see is shut. But when we're sinking to our deepest lows, we've got nowhere to go but up. That's when you say, my love, we're nowhere near the end. There'll come a day, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water and found my faith, because I don't wanna be stuck in the good old days.
Sanding the fairing.
Okay, it's time to sand the fairing, get it all nice and smooth. Then we'll be ready to put the copper coat on later.
All right, got this side all sanded, all the fairing sanded. Looks pretty good, looks smooth. Looks good under there.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water.
The side didn't have a split joint or something. See right there, right there.
Next
John
episode on
in his
Dreamweaver
white
Recipe.
sperm suit.
Instead of Big Bird, I'm an abominable snowman.
I don't know what's going on. He's done a really good job on sanding. I cannot take credit for any of it.